Hello class, welcome back to our English lesson. So, today we are going to learn about something very important. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Keisha Lingga Kusumadewi and you can call me Miss Keisha. And today we will learn about how to greet people properly and how to speak politely. So, are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. So the first one is proper greetings. So let's talk about greetings. Does anyone know what greeting is? Okay, let me explain about greetings. So greetings are the way we say hello or goodbye to people. And different times of day needs different greetings. And before the further explanation, let's practice together. When I say good morning, you must repeat what I say, okay? Good morning. Correct. Good morning. Good morning is used to greet people in the morning. And good afternoon. Please repeat after me. Good afternoon. Okay, correct. Good afternoon is used to greet people in the middle of the day. And then good evening. Good evening. Yes, good evening is used to greet people in the latter of day. And then the last one is good night. Good night. Yes. So good night it's used before going to sleep. And here are the proper greetings. Good morning used in the morning. Good afternoon used in the afternoon. Good evening used in the evening. Good night go is used before going to bed. And goodbye used when we are saying goodbye or we are parting with someone. And then the last one is hi, hello, good day. Okay, it's used anytime, friendly greeting. So, what greetings that we use anytime? Please say hi, hello, good day. Okay, correct. And the next one is we move to the polite expressions. The first one is saying thank you. So, we use thank you when someone helps or give you something. And there are three options to say thank you. The first one is thank you. Please repeat after me. Thank you. It is the simplest one to say thank you. And then the next is thank you so much. Repeat after me, please. Thank you so much. And then the last one, thank you very much. Repeat after me. Thank you very much. And here are how to respond. If someone say thank you can say you're welcome. Or the other way to say you're welcome, you can say no problem, my pleasure, and don't mention it. Okay, next one we move to saying sorry. So if you make a mistake or hurt someone, you can say I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, and I would like to apologize. Please repeat after me. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry, I would like to apologize. I'm sorry is the informal and simplest one, and I would like to apologize used in a very polite and formal situations. And how to respond it? If someone says sorry to you, answer kindly. It's okay. That's all right. No worries. I forgive you and thank you for apologizing. Why we should respond when people say sorry? The answer is because it helps people feel better and shows you're kind hearted. Okay, we move to the next one is asking help. When you need help, use these phrases politely. I will say this and then you repeat after me, right? Please help me. Can you help me, please? Could you help me, please? Would you mind helping me, please? Could you do me a favor? Could you lend me a hand? Okay, good. So there are two frequent words to ask. Can help, yes. There are cold and would. So do you know what's the difference between cold and would? Well, let me explain that both cold and would are polite, but cold is used more often for ability or possibility. So it's softened. And then would is even more polite and shows more respect or willingness. So the tone of these two words are different. Cold and would are different. And let's go to our next is interrupting or getting attentions. So when you want to speak or get someone attention, you can say excuse me. There's only one way to say excuse me. And then the use of excuse me is when you want to speak, ask question or when you cough or burps. So there are different way to say it. And then there is this tips that say excuse me and wait until the person notice you. To say it, you need to be gentle and don't shout or interrupt. And then use may I speak with you for a moment in formal situations. And then we have asking for directions. So if you are lost or looking for a place, you can ask these questions. Please, I will say this and then you will repeat after me. May I ask you how to get to the supermarket? May I ask you where the supermarket is? May I know the quickest way to get to the supermarket? Could you tell me the best way to get to the supermarket? Okay, so there is a tip for asking direction. I'm sorry, there are two tips. The first one is always start with excuse me to get their attentions, and then the next one is say thank you after the answers. So I will give an example, okay? Excuse me, may I ask you how to get to the supermarket? And after the person answer, you can say thank you. Okay. Here are the helpful reminders for being polite. So these are words that we have been learned. Like please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, my I, could you, would you, my I, could you, would you, used to make questions sounds more polite, okay? And here I have a wrap up activities for our lesson today. Let's play a quick game. So I say a situations and you will say the polite words. Start from if you want help, what would you say? Correct, please help me. And if someone gives you a gift, what would you say? Yes, thank you. And if you step on someone's foot, what would you say? I'm sorry, yes. The last one, if someone say thank you, what will you say? You're welcome. Okay, so we come to the end of our lessons and I have this question. So, do you know that just one polite words can make someone's whole day better? It is because polite words are like magic. They make people happy and show that you care. So, last one, thank you for joining this class. And please stay polite, stay kind, and see you next time, children.